How to recover Roblox account without email or phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this instructional video, I'll be demonstrating the process of recovering your Roblox account in the event that you do not have the access to your email address or phone number. Let's begin by navigating to the Roblox platform. You will need to click on Login, and once you are in the login page, you'll need to click on the Forgot Your Password or Username. Initially, the system will prompt you to enter your email in order to reset your password. However, if you have not linked an email or phone number to your account, there is an alternative method. Scroll down to the bottom of the Roblox page and click on Help. This will redirect you to the Roblox Help page, where you can select My Roblox Account and then proceed to click on I forgot my password. Further down the page, under the section labeled Still Having Issues, it will inform you that you did not add an email address or phone number to your account. You cannot reset your password using this feature. Instead, you will need to contact the customer support by providing detailed information about your login issue. This will involve entering the certain personal information and filling out a form. Once you've submitted the request, Roblox will reach out to you through the email provided with further instructions. And this is basically on how to recover the Roblox account without the email or phone number. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.